Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I can. And so how are you this week? How many courses you have?
What courses?
Oh, saya kayak ikut ada berapa les in 1 week?
Like on
Ini apa nih? Four?
five, five.
Oh, oh, it's a lot. Math. What else? English.
Wait, yeah, six.
Six. Oh, okay. Every day. Oh, six is quite a lot. So, what are they? Math. What else?
Math and
And oh, oh, basketball, math, oh, coding. Oh, I see. How about music? So you play sport? Do you play music?
I play music.
Ah, okay, okay. So do you feel tired every day? I mean, like you have to do math, basket, or no? Or do you enjoy?
Joy.
Okay, okay. So 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 what is your hobby? I mean, like if you're tired or do something, what do you do?
Yeah. What?
Yeah. So what do you do as a hobby?
I
Hobby.
play basketball.
Ah, okay, okay. With school friends?
No, it's a club.
Oh, okay, it's a club. Okay, that's good. So like you have coach, and what is your position?
I'm playmaker.
Oh, so what is the responsibility?
Wait, English. Yes. Like making the ball all the way to the enemy's link,
Oh, I see, I see. Okay, okay.
and the one
Okay.
who's carrying the ball.
Oh, okay. Do you know DBL?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So do you watch have you ever watched DBL before?
We only
Oh, I
watch
see.
DPL.
Oh, I see, I see. Because one of my student I think joined DBL, but yeah, I don't know. I think DBL in Jakarta or somewhere. Yeah, I think Jakarta.
I only do normal competition.
Oh, okay. But have you ever joined a basketball competition at club?
Yes, like six time lah.
Oh, that's a lot. So how long have you joined the club?
4 years or 3 years.
Oh, oh, so you already joined since 2022?
Yes.
I see, I see.
Yes.
I see, I see. It's quite a lot. It's quite a long time. Okay, okay. Wait, let me share the screen. One moment. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
So, do you still remember what we had learned last week?
It coordinates.
Yeah, last week we learned about turtle and then drawing. So today we continue turtle again. Okay, so for example, today we will learn a star. So if you want to draw a star, we need to rotate by 144 degree. Like this. Can you check how many times uh the code need to turn left? Can you count? How many times? 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 5, yeah. So in total there are 5. Okay. So instead of doing this, there are too many lines here. What we can do is we can do like this. Do you see for I in range 5? And then forward 150 and left 144. So by using for or loops, do you still remember why we need to use for? So we use for if we want the code to repeat. So by doing this, do you know how many times we will repeat the code? How many times?
Yes.
Let me see. Yeah, we will repeat the code 5 times. Yeah, we will repeat the code 5 times. So we will do forward 150 and left 144 until 5 times. So yeah, today, okay, we'll skip first. Yeah, if you still remember, if we want to fill in color, we use begin fill. If we want to stop fill in the color, we use end fill. If we want to hold up our pen, we use pen up. Put down our pen, we use pen down. If we want to move the turtle to specific point, we use like go to and then the x coordinate and also the y coordinates. Okay, there's another code. Today we will learn speed. So what is speed? It means like the speed on how we draw something. Like if the speed is 0, it will not draw anything. For example, the speed is 2, it will draw slowly, and 10, yeah, it will draw faster. And height turtle is, yeah, if we use height turtle whenever we want to keep the picture, and yeah, when we stop when we stop drawing and we still want to keep the picture on the screen, yeah, we can use a height turtle. Okay, look at this. What picture is this? Can you tell me what picture is this? Yeah, circle. So there are 4 circle, 4 different side circle, and inside the circle they put another circle. Okay, so do you know why we look at 7 and why we look at 4? Which one? Yeah, which one is 7? Which one is 4? Seven is seven is the small to the big one is seven. So it means there are seven circle. And then four is four sides of flower. Okay. And then why? My question is why we add like this circle size and then size plus 10 plus equals 10. Do you know why we add size plus equals 10? What does that mean? Why we add size 10 and then size plus equals 10? Yeah, so at the beginning the size is 10 and then size plus equals to 10, it means the small one, the circle size is 10 and then it will be like this, right? The size will be 20 and then the size will be increase again 30 until number 7 the size the circle size is 70. Okay. Okay, and we will also will doing this. This is we will draw a Ferris wheel. And my question is, how can we draw the Ferris wheel? Are we using circle, square, or triangle?
What?
To draw this Ferris wheel, are we using circle or triangle or what?
Triangle.
Yeah, we use triangle. Triangle many times, yeah. Mm, so how many times we need to draw the triangles? You can look at this. How many times we need to draw the triangle? How many times the triangle? Yeah, correct. 36, 36 triangle. Okay. Okay. Do you understand? Do you have any questions?
Look,
Okay, if you don't have any question, maybe you can share screen. We can try the exercise, yeah. Yeah, 15, I guess. Yeah, that one. Number one. Yes. Yeah, which statement that represent loops? Loops is the fourth one for repeating. Yeah, this one is correct. There is a loop with only one string. Yeah, it could be possible. A loop can be set using for operator. Yeah. We in the exercise we use loop, right? Like for I in range something. It means it's a loop. Can we use while? Yes. So loop, there are two types of loops, for and while. Can we use if? Yeah, correct. Good job. Next. Yeah. Actually, the program is working, okay? They want you to optimize. How to optimize? There are too many lines code here. Can you use loop? Can you use for? You can look at the previous example. Yeah. Yeah, look at this, yeah. It loops 4 times. So which one that you can Hmm? How many times? Yeah, and then inside the loop there will be forward 100 and left 90. Yeah, and then you can just delete this. Yes. Okay, run. Yeah, can submit. Okay, great job. Understand, yeah? Continue. This one also need to be optimized. Do you know why it happens? Because you haven't deleted. Yeah, can you submit? Okay, next. Continue. Okay, yeah. Okay. So what is your idea? Like how to use loop? Hmm. Okay. So you don't have to repeat the code many times. Use loop. Where you can stop the loops. Do it here, do it here before the yeah, for I in range, how many times that you need to loop? Yeah, can you check? How okay, and then how about this code? How to read loops? You need put a space right inside the loop. You can look at example. Yeah, look at this. There is a gap, right? You need to put one tab inside. Typo, typo. Typo, I think. Yeah. And then put a gap, right? Color should be here, left. Use tab, one tab. Yeah. Eh, left. Mm. Continue. Yeah, can you try? Is that already correct? Yeah, I understand, right? Continue. Okay, this time This time we are doing Ferris wheel. So, what you need to do first? The code is empty. You should do it from the beginning. Do you have any idea? Mm.
What do we do from here?
Yeah, do you have any idea? What should we do first? Pen size? Have we defined pen size? So you read the question. Do they need the pen size? This one? Yeah, pen size is 2. So they want you to create a function. The function name is triangle, to draw a triangle. How to create a function? Def triangle. And then, mm, yeah, and then pen size, color. And then, after pen size, color. Yeah, after color, uh, how how big is the shapes? Did they mention? The side is 100. Oh no, it means forward, right? Forward. Yeah, forward 100. What else? How to turn? Do we need to turn left or right? Yeah, left about 120. No, it's not 90. 90 is to create a square. Yes. How many times? How many times to create a triangle? How many times? This is just to create like this. So how many times to create a triangle? How many sides you have to create a triangle? It will not run. Yeah, delete. We have to call triangle. Otherwise, it will not work. Call triangle. You have to call the function. You have to call the function. Otherwise, it won't work. Yeah, call triangle outside the function. And you call outside the function here. Outside the function. Hello. After line 9. After line 9. Here. Outside the function. Yes. Okay, try. Right? It doesn't work, right? Only one right line, right? Okay, so how to make the triangle stay still? Height height turtle. I think no space, yeah. Height turtle, no space. No space, no space. There is no underscore. Height turtle. Like this. Oh, okay. Hey, don't forget add exit on click.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now you already create one triangle. How many triangle you need to add?
6.
Are you sure only six? Can you check? 30? 30.
36.
Yeah, so how to do it? You look at the step by step. Can you check the question? Oh, you are not doing there. What do you want to do? You do it outside the function. You do it outside the function, so you call the function 36 times. So after line 11, you use loop for for yeah for I. Yeah, in range 36. And then and how about the triangle? You should add a indentation, right? Or tap, one tap.
One tap.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 13, 13. No. Line 13. Not 12. 13.
Eh,
Eh.
eh. Tap ya.
Yeah. Okay. But can you check? Scroll down. Yeah. You look at number 2. You draw 36 triangle and rotate 10 degrees in any direction. So what does that mean? Do you know what does that mean? So it means after you draw a triangle, one triangle, you rotate to the right about 10 degree and then draw triangle again, rotate again. So you do it after the triangle. So after triangle, you add right and then right about 10 degrees. Okay, and then add the speed. The speed you put it outside the function, so it's outside the loop. So here the speed is 10.
Dan
No, after line 11. The speed is after line 11. After line, sorry, yeah, yeah. Can you remove line 16? Yes.
Want to be like this.
Yeah, do you think it's different?
The picture says it looks like this.
Let me check. Wait there. Yeah. It,
It works.
this one. Is it works? Let me check. You should do one more left here. The left is only twice. You have to do left 3 times. Yeah. Yeah, you can try again. Yeah, something like this. Oh, what happened? Okay.
Wait, then
Okay. Submit.
what?
Submit this one. Oh, why is not submitted? Yeah. Wait. Let me check. Pen size forward 100, left 120, forward 100, left 120, forward 100, left 120. Speed, triangle. Can you remove this space? Yeah, okay. Great job. Can you stop share? We will continue next lesson. Okay, wait, yeah. Let me share screen. So next task, yeah, we already tried to drawing shapes in a loop. So how to draw a sun? There is triangle. Um, it's similar like this one. So for example, triangle, we turn 120. If it's sun, it'll be 100 degree. And then if it's like a star, is 200 degree. Yeah, look at this. How to draw a sun? How many times we need to loops? Can you tell me how many times we need to loop? Oh, where are you? Yeah. How many times? I cannot hear you. 8? Yeah, 18. Yeah, 18. And yeah, as you can see there, the beginning is begin fill and we end with end fill. So why we need to do that is to coloring the sun, yeah. Can you tell me what shape is this? What they are trying to draw? Yeah, square. How many square we have here? Yeah, four square. For 200, 150, 150, yeah. Okay, so we will try to do the second exercise. Maybe can you share screen again? Number two. Yeah. Which code do you need to execute this image? Which one? Look at the color and also look at the degrees. Yeah, what is the mistake? Can you scroll down? See the difference first. See all the difference. Like you look at this, they begin fill, right? So where you have to do the begin fill? Begin fill should do at beginning before the loops. While is the loop. So you have to do the begin fill first and then while. Here you do the begin fill at the end. Begin fill should do first. And don't forget to do end fill. Which one? Yeah, which one? Mm. Yeah.
Wait, this is not so.
Sorry?
They got this. Oh, that color is blue.
Yeah. First is the color. This and the second one is I told you this begin fill and end fill. Yes. Okay, please read the question first. Do you understand what they want?
Where?
Yeah. So we need to draw a square. They give you the parameter. Can you check? Draw a square from turtle. And then pen size is 2. And then start drawing this one. Start drawing at point minus 50 to minus 50. It means go to. So you go to first. And then do we need to put color? No need. Because by default the color is already black. Okay. Next, you need to draw the square. How to draw the square? Oh, where's the go to? Yeah. Go to minus 50, comma minus 50. Yes. How to draw a square. Do you know the how long the shapes? You can read the question first. I think they gave you the clue. Um, Look at this. The side of the square is 200 pixels, so it means forward 200. And then, oh, why there is an at here?
Wait, what?
Why line number 5? There is an error. Can you check inside the bracket? What is that? Hmm. And then, how to create a square? How many times you need to loop if you want to create a square? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's correct. Next.
Forgot begin fill.
Yeah, begin fill. Do it
Where do you
before the
put it?
loop, yeah. Before the loop. Mm. Can you try? And then, yeah. What else? I think need to draw a circle, yeah. Can you check? Can you click the picture? Do you see a circle? Small circle. Yeah, how to draw the
Done.
small circle there. They
Uh,
told you the parameter. You have, after you draw a circle, you have to go to, so after and fill, it should be after and fill. You do pen up and then go to next coordinate.
we do.
And then how to do the circle? Pen down and then pen down no need ini ya. Pen down no need underscore. Remove the underscore on pen down. Yeah.
Then
Yeah, circle. The radius is,
with the pixel.
and then try pen up, no need underscore.
Fill it.
Yeah, fill in. Begin fill and end fill. Do it after pen down, after pen down. Yes. Okay, next one is the last one. Okay. Almost similar. You can use the previous code if you want. You can copy and modify a little bit. Yeah, so you need to create the square many times, right? So what you can do is line number 5 until line number 7. Sorry, line this one 4 until 8. You can create as a function. Later you can call it many times. You can create a function like def square.
Like that.
Yeah, and also the indentation. Don't forget this. If you create a function, everything should be inside the uh, one tab. No, not the function, but the code inside the function. No, not the function. The code inside the function. Line number 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the code inside the function. Yes. And also this one. Line 7 and 8 should be inside the 4, right? So you put one more tab. Yes. Yeah. How about begin field? Don't forget to put begin field inside the function. Begin field. Mm-mm. Inside the, yeah. Here. Should be like this. I will show you the example. Why is there's a mistake? Colon, tanda titik dua. Yes. Can you fix the indentation first? And fill should be outside the function. Sorry, should be outside the loop here. Yeah. Okay, next. Can you check again the code, the question? How many square we have?
4.
Yeah, and all of them are in different size and different color, right? So I want you to create a parameter inside the function length for the size and color. Can you put it inside your function? The parameter for color and the length. And you
Where?
look at the my example where we should add the parameter. Inside the bracket number 4. No. You remove line number 4. You look at this parameter, yeah. So later you can adjust the size. Yeah, and then you need to add, not yet, not yet. Why? You add the color here. After line 5, you add the color. Mm. And then you need to call the function after line 10. If you don't call the function, it will not show anything. Can you call the function? Yeah. Yeah. No, no need to call square. Just call square. Yeah, square and the parameter will be, can you check the question? I think they give you the parameter, right? The first square is 200 comma black. So it will be like this. Square, 200, and then black. Yeah, and then how many else that you need to create? Second square, no need. Just call the function again. You don't need to call that anymore. Just call the function name. Yes. Second square is yeah, and then yes, continue. What is um so do you know what is the mistake? You do typo here. It should be length, and then you should change this 200 to length to the variable name. Yeah, if you don't do that, all the square will have same size. Yes. Yeah, remove one. Okay, try again. Okay. Can you remove the circle? Mm. Can you try?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, I think that's it. Can you submit? What is the, yeah, okay, that's it for today exercise. What do you think? Is it difficult or is still manageable?
But
So do you understand the point why we need to use loop?
but yes.
Why we need to use loop?
Easy.
Yeah, easy, shorter and also efficient. Okay. So yeah. So can you tell me what we had learned today? Yeah, we learned about loop and implement loop inside the turtle. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today class. Do you have any other question?
Oh, no.
Okay, if you don't have any other question, maybe that's it for today class. See you next week. Bye bye.